Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Training System, and it's Tuesday the 1st of October 2019, and it's just approaching 11:30 in Singapore, and this is the daily analysis for the Euro, Cable and Aussie dollar. And there's RBA rates decision coming up for the Aussie dollar in about an hour's time, 12:30. Also do take note of my risk disclaimer, and this my opinions and ideas, so do trade with caution at your own risk. Let's start off with the euro, and yesterday was a bearish move after retesting the bearish channel trend line, and confirms that it is now a resistance, and it fell back to hit the weekly S1 pivot level. The weekly pivot for euro this week is at 109.57. Monthly pivot is still the same at 109.65, or rather the new monthly pivot for this month is at 109.65. And if I switch over to the weekly chart, it is approaching the 138 fib extension level, and in between there's a weekly S2 before it can reach the 162 fib extension level, but that's way below. So this week there is a non-farm payroll coming up, and this will be a key event for all the major pairs to watch out for. And it's but first you will need to hit the 138 fib extension level at 108.80, and all these bearish moves were all due to the strengthening of the US dollar yesterday. Let's go to the cable. Cable as well, yesterday tried to retest the 38 fib retracement level and also spiked the channel trend line, lower channel trend line, and was rejected. Fell back, and it did find support at the monthly pivot, which is at 122.79. The weekly pivot is at 123.55, aligning with the daily 55 EMA. The 50 fib retracement is just below the monthly pivot, so this is a critical support zone for the cable. If it does give way, then the next support zone is at the 62 fib retracement level, along with the weekly S1 at 122.07. And I did highlight over the weekend on the Sunday analysis that there is a evening doji star formation, so this could be a critical break of support if it continues, and it could be a bearish move for the next week or so. Alright, yesterday also had poor figures coming out from UK with the current account, and these next few days will be other PMI figures until Friday's non-farm payroll from the US. Okay, let's move on to the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar also hit the weekly pivot level at the 0.6770, and today it has started to dip lower to retest or test the 78.6 fib retracement level along with the weekly S1 at 0.6733. So this could be a early move before the RBA, and they are expected to cut rates by another 0.25 basis points. This would be the third rate cut for the year. So do watch out for volatility there. If it does break this support, then the next key support zone is at 0.67 along with the weekly S2 pivot level. Right, so it does look bearish at the moment. There could be some bounce if depending on the monetary policy statement or the outlook when they release the rate decision. But in the medium term, it's looking bearish. All right. So until we follow up on Thursday, have a good trading week and cheers.